May chocolate si Wancho. You have 1 chocolate, okay? Nanay will go up first. Don't eat. Don't eat, ha? No eating.
Okay?
That's the challenge. No eating of chocolate, okay? Okay?
Because if you eat the chocolate, you will not have many. Favorite chocolate.
The challenge is no eating of chocolate until nanay get back, okay?
Okay, dapat hindi mo siya i-eat.
Dapat di mo i-eat to, ha? Pagbalik ni nanay,
Let's go.
ha? Behave, ha?
Saan ba ako?
I will get something lang. Dyan ka lang. Bawal ka umalis. Don't eat, okay? Okay. Don't eat, Wancho. Wait. We'll get more chocolates. Don't eat, okay? Wancho, you're eating ba?
No!
Again? Oy, ma! Very...